I hear you desire a beautiful skin and you don't know how to start, or you have bought so many skincare products that promise to give you a beautiful, glowing, smooth skin that will have everyone complimenting your skin tone, but reverse is the case. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll be sharing effective body products that will guarantee you a glowing skin. So get ready for people to start using your skin as a mirror. And I feel like every skincare girly has to have this one of those body lotion in their skincare shelf. Hello to my skincare lovers, welcome back to my channel. And if today is the first time of seeing my face, my name is Elo. And guys, if you love everything skincare, this is the right channel to belong. So don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and also like this video for me. And don't forget to share this video to someone that needs it. We don't gatekeep information here. So in today's video, I'll be sharing effective skincare body products that will guarantee you a glowing skin, and also I will share how to use this body product for effective results. The first lotion on our list today is EOS, which is Evolution of Smooth. The particular one I'm talking about is this one is formulated with Pomegranate raspberry lotion. So this, you should know that this EOS, Evolution of Smooth, comes in different varieties, but like I said, this is the one we'll be talking about in today's video. I want to let you know that this lotion is amazing. This lotion is the type of lotion that leaves your skin feeling smooth, soft, and hydrated for over 24 hours. I love that it is non-chondrogenic and non-greasy on the skin. It's once you rub it in, it's effectively penetrate into the skin. And the active ingredients used in the formulation, it is shea butter, pomegranate seed oil, and glycerin. Also, it has fragrance. The fragrance is amazing. Now you feel like eating yourself up. It has this fruity mixed fruit fragrance. It is very, very amazing. If you're someone that loves body lotion that will make you to smell good, this is definitely a must-have in your skincare routine. The pomegranate seed oil used in the formulation makes it the best lotion for someone that has dry skin. The pomegranate seed oil used in the formulation is best for dry skin, and it has antioxidant benefits to help revitalize, smoothing, and hydrate your skin. It also has brightening benefits that will give you that even tone skin and work on your imperfection on your skin. The shea butter we know is known for its hydrating benefits, softness, and smoothness of the skin, and this is definitely what you're going to get when you use this product. Vasaline is one of the popular humectants used in body care. It helps your skin to hold water and thereby preventing moisture loss, and this is definitely what you're going to get when you incorporate this lotion in your skincare routine. This lotion is absolutely great for someone with dry, sensitive skin that will have everyone complimenting your skin tone. It is sold for 18,500 and it comes in 437 ml. The second body lotion I'll be sharing in today's video, it is the new Vasaline Radiant S Eventone. This lotion is a nourishing body lotion that is clinically proven to contain 1% niacinamide. I'm already a huge fan of Vaseline, and I didn't think my love for this brand would actually grow even more till they formulated this very product. I like the fact that they had melanin type of skin tone in mind when they formulated this type of this their recent product, and it is very, very effective in hydrating the skin. It offers up to 72 hours hydration to the skin. It is a non-greasy lotion that penetrates easily on the skin, leaving your skin feeling smooth, soft. Like, the result of this very lotion is visible within 14 days. That's amazing because of the ingredients used in the formulation. It is formulated with coconut oil, vitamin C, peptide, lipid. We know vitamin C is one of the most popular skincare ingredients known for its brightening benefits and also help with collagen production, hereby preventing saggy skin, fine lines, wrinkle, and giving you that radiant, smooth, soft skin. Then the niacinamide we know helps to control the oil production, fight uneven skin tone and blemishes on the skin. The peptide used in the production of this very lotion helps to rebuild and repair damaged skin and also produce collagen on the skin, also helps to repair the skin barrier. So this is definitely a must-have lotion if you want a beautiful glowing skin, and it's safe for all skin types including sensitive skin, dry skin, oily skin, whatever your skin tone, how your skin type is, this very lotion is suitable for your skin. I like the fragrance. It is not overpowering, but it also smells nice. I would definitely say the fragrance is mild, and this very lotion is sold for 35,000 naira. And trust me, it is worth every penny. It comes in 325 ml, and it is definitely a must have for anyone who wants a glowing, beautiful skin. The next lotion on our list in today's video, it is Naturium Bio Restoring Body Lotion. So if you're, this lotion is fragrance free. So if you're someone that has sense of smell or don't like fragrance in your skincare routine, it will work well for you. Or someone with dry to sensitive skin, because we know fragrance can actually irritate the skin. So this is non-greasy or oily and penetrates easily on your skin, and to promote a smooth, soft, radiant skin. Its active ingredients include omega fatty acid, shea butter, and vitamin B. The omega fatty acid will help with hydration, itchy skin, dry skin, and improve the skin condition, making it to look hydrated, smooth, and nourished. When we talk about vitamin B, we're talking about riboflavin and niacinamide. Niacinamide helps to regulate the oil production on the skin, diminish the look of imperfection, blemishes, acne, and improve a smooth, soft, glowing skin. The shea butter we know for its hydrating softness benefits. So it's going to hydrate your skin and soften your skin to improve a beautiful, smooth skin. So this is definitely a must-have if you want a glowing skin. It comes in 414 ml and is sold for 29,500 naira. So the last on our list, and definitely not the least on our list, it is Method Body Lotion. This is the type I'm talking about because it also comes in different varieties. This is the hydrating one. It helps to hydrate the skin. It is non-chondrogenic and non-greasy on the skin. Once you apply it, it penetrates easily on the skin. The fragrance is amazing. It is made up of coconut and rice milk kind of fragrance, and this body lotion is a must-have for a glowing skin. It will even out your skin tone and give you a blended, beautiful skin. Formulated with 2 active ingredients, which is jojoba oil and momo seed. Jojoba oil we know is a vitamin E. It is non-chondrogenic and it improves a radiant skin. It has collagen benefits which will prevent sagging skin, fine lines, wrinkle, and also treat imperfection on the skin to improve your skin tone and also your skin elasticity. The momo seed, actually, it is not, this is actually my first time of hearing about it. They said it can be relatively compared to shea butter, but right now this is one of the seed that is making grounds because study find out that it is actually more effective or more hydrating than shea butter. This is the benefit you're going to get when you incorporate this very lotion in your skincare routine, and trust me, you will definitely have this flawless, beautiful skin that will have everyone, of course, complimenting the skin tone. It is sold for between 13,000 naira to 15,000, and it comes in 532 ml. So guys, how to use this product for effective results? First, you have to start by cleansing your skin with ever soap or body wash you're using. Wash off your skin, then you apply your body lotion. Bear in mind that exfoliation is very, very necessary. It helps to renew the skin. So at least once in a week, I advise people, if you have a very soft skin like me, exfoliate once in a week. Or very, very sensitive skin, very, very soft skin, you can actually exfoliate once in 10 days, yes, for you to get rid of dead skin cell and also help this lotion work very well for you. Then remember, sunscreen is the king of your skincare. If you're doing all this and you don't protect your skin, trust me, you're not going to get the glow. That's why most times I like to wear protective clothing, because yeah, don't forget to drink your water, eat your fruits and vegetables.